Today, we will perform surgery on a patient that has been forgotten. Step 1. Decontamination of the surface. An oxide layer 0.4 millimeters thick has been detected. We require chemical intervention, applying a 0.5 molar oxalic acid solution. Extraction of stubborn contaminants begins. The patient is showing signs of recovery. Micropolishing phase, using rotation at 10,000 revolutions per minute. With industrial-grade diamond paste. Restoring structural integrity. Microscopic cleanliness inspection. Perfect symmetry achieved. Applying nanoprotective coating. For another 100 years of endurance. Operation successful.